Hey, what is up guys? It's Russell here and I'm back with another video. Today we will be opening the Nature Collection Twice box here. So you can see this is Nature Collection Twice and it's like a Instagram kind of thing. You can see here Twice 트와이스가 여러분을 응원합니다. Cheer up baby. 좀 더 힘을 내. I'm not gonna read the Korean because I suck at it. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see here it says Nature Collection. It's quite heavy. So the back. So basically, this box comes with these four things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick here. All right. Hopefully I can open this with one hand. Okay, let's take this out. It's very cool. All right, so it's like, I guess it's like a note. I'm not sure. Really nice. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have some clarifying foam cleanser by Carezone. Okay. Some Beyond Deep Moisture Body Emulsion. Cool. Alright, and then we got this Beyond is a moisturizer? No, Deep Moisture Shower Cream. It's pretty cool. As you can see here. Yep. Not Twice related at all these stuff, just random brands. Dr. Belm Mineral Salt Toner. What's a toner? Alright. Don't reuse this stuff actually. So anyways, these are gonna be really nice. Maybe I'll give it to like my mom or some of my girl classmates, I guess. Probably won't be using these. Probably only keep the box. Alright, so with that came this Twice Photobook, I guess. I think it's a Nature Collection Photobook. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick here. Alright, so I open it up here. As you can see. Let's go through these. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, I didn't even know this was inside here. Okay, so it's like a kind of like a standy kind of thing. So you can like do this and stand up. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this is real nice. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Let's get branded. Okay. Oh, it's very nice. Very nice photos. Dahyun. Sana. Zuri. Wow. Cheyoung. Jihyo. Mina. Nayeon. I really like this photo shoot a lot. This Momo. Jonghyun. There's all of them. Oh, okay. This is like kind of like the collab thing from the start. You can see their hairstyles here. I think this is around Cheer Up era, if I'm not wrong. This was when they first collaborated with Nature Collection. So yeah. Then this is the recent one, if I'm not wrong. Oh, not really actually. It's just that they never actually released this photo book, I guess, and all these nice pictures. Oh, there's more. Oh, it's TT already. It's TT timing, yeah. Yeah, I think this is the poster, the Nature Collection poster that I have pasted on my wall. Okay. Oops. These are like the Polaroids that only like 1 out of like 9 in the entire world, so didn't get it. Feels bad, man. Alright, anyways, that's about it for this Nature Collection Twice box, I guess. I think if you buy this, it comes with the photo book, and yeah, for like about 25 Singapore dollars without shipping. So yeah, pretty cool. And like they gave like some freebies. Yep. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.